Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to check orders breakdown on Fiverr. So if you want to actually check orders breakdown, what I mean is that the breakdown of all the orders you've had on your profile or your account, all you have to do is to click on the analytics section once you log in and click on the orders breakdown here. But the truth is that it's for the sellers plus. It's for the premium version of Fiverr for sellers, which means you have to be paying a subscription, a monthly subscription of $19 a month. So uh, this tells us the orders traffic, and you can arrange it by time, day, or month. So since I don't have the sellers plus, I won't be able to tell you much on it. But the only thing is that it's for the sellers program. It's for the sellers plus program. But so if you're interested in that, you can actually go for the sellers plus program, and it's a very good deal for you. You can actually really scale up quickly. Okay guys, so if you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one.